Hi, I'm Jules from Fastcar, and today we're at Gtechniq Works with Dom. And Dom's going to explain to us the benefits of using a wash mitt over a sponge and also using a grit guard in your bucket.
So, first things first, we need to bin these. If anyone's using a sponge, bin them. The reason we don't use sponges, or we don't recommend sponges anymore, is essentially you've got the flat face of that sponge trapping and going over the top of this paint surface. Now that dirt that's getting between the sponge and the paintwork, it's got nowhere to go. There's no pile, nothing. So it just gets worked around. It's almost like a mild sanding effect. So first thing to do, if you've got a sponge, get rid of it and get yourself one of these. So as you can see here, this wash mitt, super thick, got a really nice thick pile. So what that does is that lifts and whips the dirt off the surface of the paintwork, so it's not got a chance to get dragged across the surface. Another good thing to the wash mitts is, certainly on our ones, the inside's got quite a thick bit of padding and wadding inside. Now this padding and wadding actually soaks up quite a lot of water. So when you dip your wash mitt in your bucket, you're bringing up more wash solution, which has got more lubricants, and it just means you have to stop dipping in and out. But because you've got all these lubricants within the wash mitt, it actually makes it super slick and makes, not we're saying that you're going to get every time you wash the car, you're going to get 100% swirl free, but it just goes that little bit further to minimise the chances of putting scratches and swirls into your paintwork. So it's all about minimising it. So with this, you're helping to minimise it. Obviously, with a wash mitt, if you drop it, you can re-wash it. So stick it on a 40-degree wash, let it air dry, and it's good to go again. That's one way you're helping to reduce scratches and swirls. Another way is grit guard and bucket. Now, the way the grit guard and bucket works is, obviously, you've got your bucket there, but it's a little dirt trap that sits in the bottom. So the idea is you pop your shampoo, you fill your bucket up. As you go in with your wash mitt, you get some wash solution, wash your panel, and then you come back in and you rub your grit guard up against your wash mitt, and the dirt falls through the bottom and doesn't get swirled back up into the main wash solution. Keeps your dirt from your wash. Now, you can go one. Best process we find is to go two. So the idea is one bucket's got your wash solution in, another one's got clean water. So the idea is every time you go in, get your wash solution, wash the panel, and then rinse your mitt in there. So again, you're separating that dirt out from your main car wash solution.